Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today's the day. Finally, been waiting for this one for a minute. Finally, we're gonna tune, and we're doing the downpipe. The downpipe on the Supra. Now here it is. This is a Euromotive Performance, Florida company, and I showed this once. And the reason I went with them because they're basically some of these other downpipes I'd see they reduce here and then reduce again, and now I just like that they just kept it all the same until I guess the 3-inch outlet. So that's what I did with this, and then we're gonna tune, boys. We're gonna tune. So you get this going. Javi's here, he's gonna give me a hand, and we already got the car up on jack stands, and he's taking a look exactly at what all we need to do. Doesn't look like a terrible downpipe to do. Most of the videos I've seen, it's one of the easier ones. So it can't be any worse than the one on the GTIs or the Volkswagens. That thing was a nightmare. I never want to do that one again. But let's get going. We're gonna put that on, then we're gonna tune it, see how she does. Goes towards the back and the front one. They're two different colors though.
There's two colors?
Yeah.
Alright, so those
one
are
has
the
a black wrap, the other one has
two clips for the O2 sensors. O2 sensors are right there. If you follow the cable, they go up. You take the cover off up top, you can just unplug them. Unplug and open those two clips, and that'll loosen up the O2 sensors, and then you can take it all off and put it back together. If you see over there, there's a V-bank clamp, that bolt right there. There is these two right here for the bracket that holds the cat. And then this one right here for the clamp. Just 4 bolts and the two O2 sensors. So let's see if it's easy as it looks. Alright, so I got all the bolts down in the bottom, and Marty was still finicking with just these two.
Yeah, screw you. What the fuck was that?
All that, and then he was just fighting these two. This was just clipped in here. Just gotta get a little small screwdriver, and see that middle one? Just move it to the side, and it just comes right off. And it's these two, they're for the O2 sensors. Now we can pull the downpipe out and replace everything.
All right, we got it out. Wasn't really that bad. Probably took, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes to get it off. We just took it off at the back of the exhaust since it's not a complete, and it was kind of being a pain in the ass right here where they connect. So we said, screw it, just pull out the whole thing. Now we'll separate it out here. And already got the O2 sensors loose, so we're almost there, and we just gotta put it back on. I think it's gonna be loud. The bid's gonna be loud.
Yeah,
it's gonna be loud.
Right. Remember to swap the gasket. Don't forget the difference.
They fucking had an update on that shit.
Marty's tuning. Don't move.
Yeah, I ain't fucking breathing. This shit makes me nervous. In the Mustang, I splashed that car 115 times.
What is it doing right now?
It's just doing an update.
It's an update.
Update for the. For the
You haven't even started yet.
Yeah, no, I haven't started yet.
Never mind. Right?
Identify ECU?
Yes. And then you pick the BMW because you're driving a BMW.
It should automatically.
Shit, I don't know what to do there. Look at the damn YouTube video.
This phone right there.
Right? You're gonna figure it out.
Well, you gotta plug it in here and then you skip a whole bunch of shit.
No, fuck that. That's Javi's thing.
Yeah, so then there, we could definitely.
All right, guys. So downpipe is in, but now we tried to tune the car. and unfortunately something went wrong with the EcuTech doesn't dongle ID, and apparently I guess my tuner, he didn't give the right number to the dongle ID, so it won't load the tune. So I already emailed them, and hopefully we'll get it corrected here in a day or two. So fortunately we can't tune the car today, unfortunately, I mean. So it is what it is, but we could hear it though. We can hear it now with a downpipe. I think it's gonna be loud. I think it's gonna be really loud.
Close it?
Oh, close it, close it. There you go, like a man. Stand in the back.
In the back, I don't want to go deaf.
Ain't gonna be that.
How do you turn this off?
Inside, there's a little knob
Little
inside.
knob right there.
Oh.
Alright. You ready?
Pretty loud. Is the end of the valve turns on and open, right?
Yeah.
It's loud. Can you hear me? That's not corn. There it cools down. There you go. Wait. Close it. Open it. Ooh, I can smell it. Huh? Close rev.
Stop close.
You got any codes?
No. Not yet. That'll eventually come up.
Okay. Wait. Right. That sounds really good. Tame. Ah, damn. It sounds good though. It sounds good. No, not like this. That sounds good though. It's loud, but it sounds good. Maybe when you roll you hear the turbos, but not like that though. You hear them from the front.
Woo! Smell it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good. Approve. Sounds good.
It does. I'm happy with it. Actually, it sounds better than I thought it was. I was worried it's gonna be really raspy, and it's not.
No, it sounds pretty good.
And it'll get deeper with a little.
With the valve closed, it was actually pretty quiet when you revved it. A lot quieter than I thought it would be. There you go.
Oh man.
Marty just got done putting the downpipe on, and he wasn't able to tune it. So while he waits for that, we're just gonna drive and get some sound. Sounds good. Got some pops and stuff. You hear the turbos.
this has been a little bit of a struggle, but we finally got it. We were having issues with the file, the ROM file, basically that it's you need a file to unlock the ECU, then you need another file that actually, which is your tune. So the one to unlock the ECU was giving me problems, and thankfully Ed at EQT was pretty cool about just getting back to me real quick, and he sent me an updated one, and that worked, and I went through every single update this thing had, and so I think we're good, and we are good to go. We have a tune. Tune is uploaded. It says programming sequence has now complete. So that means I should be able to, the guy in the video basically just shut the car off. Shut off the key and then start the car back up. So we should be good. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and shut the car off. And now, that, and we'll do this. And tuned downpipe intake. So with my luck, it's raining. Well, it rained last night. It's wet outside. I'm still gonna send it. I'm gonna take it to work. So it's loud. This was a little nerve-wracking. I've never. To me, it's very similar to HP tuner stuff. The ECU tech stuff seems very similar, but I don't know. But we are tuned. We are ready to go. Let's go take this thing for a spin. I don't know. It might spin like crazy though too, because it's a little wet outside. So it is what it is. Been at this for a while. It's right now. It's what 7:40 in the morning. I've been out here since about 6:30, just making sure everything was right, and I was probably messing with me back and forth with Ed till almost 11 in my car last night. But we got it. Let's go take a full spin.